Hi, Mr. Carbis here. Hope you're doing well. This is an experiment, really, just to see if me going through the online tasks, not all of them, I won't do all of them, some of them are self-explanatory, but if just doing the online tasks are a little bit fiddly that involve a couple of websites, if it's just easier for you guys. If you like this sort of thing, then please let me know and I'll do more of them. I've also toyed with the idea of reading a book, so downloading an online book and doing a reading task for the children. If you don't like it, then again, please let me know, and that's fine either way. Okay, so first of all, it's a JIT 5 task, so we're going to be using JIT 5. So log on to Hub, click on Just Too Easy, and we're looking for JIT 5. That's this little fella here. And we're exploring charts. The whole point of this is them exploring different charts, and it's their opinions of it. So which chart do they feel is the best chart? So we're not giving them the information saying, you know, bar chart is good for this, this, and this. They're exploring themselves. So you click on chart, the little orange tab, and for them to do that, we need to create a little table of information. And I thought, being an eco lead, that we could look at spotting spider monkeys. So there is a link on the, or there will be a link on the Trellick Home Learning page. If it doesn't work, because I know some of my links haven't worked, then I use Ecosia, but any search engine would do the same. Just type in British Science Week spider monkey, and when you're looking for Citizen Science British Science Week, and if you scroll down, there's a little, there it is, Get Spotted Now. So click that, and get started, and it takes you to the same page. So I've done this a couple of times. What they're looking for is how many clips show spider monkeys. So they're not looking for the amount of spider monkeys, just whether the clip has spider monkeys and whether they don't. And it tells you here, but I'll quickly explain. You're looking for a little white or yellow dot. And if they move, it's more than likely to be a spider monkey. But they could be sleeping, so it's just a best guess. It doesn't matter if you're right or wrong. And if you want some more information about what this information is going to be used for, if you click About, and it explains what this information is going to be used for. So basically it's them just refining the technology to help endangered animals. So they started with spider monkeys. Okay, so I'm going to close this box. I'll show you once, and then the children can go back and forth and populate the table with the information. If it's a little bit too fast for you, the video clips, you can change the speed down here. So 0.25, obviously that'd be quarter the speed, and 0.5 would be half the speed, but I'll just do it full speed. So I see a little dot there that looks like it could be a monkey, and I think right at the start, yeah, there's a little fella at the bottom. So I'm going to click yes, done. And if you click next, it will load up another clip. So, okay, so at the top here, I'm just going to put monkey, question mark, yes, and no, and number. So you would have done this previously. Sorry about that. So let's pretend I've done it 10 times. So 6 of the clips had monkeys. So 6 would be in the yes. And 4 of them didn't have any spider monkeys. I didn't see any. So you would click 4. If they want to, they should be able to change the colour. So they might do green for yes, 'cause that's a good thing. And maybe red for no, or whatever they like. And then if you come over here, I've got the block chart open. If you click inside the white circle, it'll load up a different example of a chart. So you can have all 4 up if you want, or you can just have the 1 up. So have a look at all 4 charts. Which do they like best and why? So they might like the pie chart the best, or they might like the line graph. They might like the bar graph because it shows the actual number of clips. Or they might like the pie chart because it's really easy to see. Yes, more clips showed monkeys. No. So less clips showed didn't show monkeys. Sorry. Right, so bronze is done. If they want a little bit more of a challenge, then silver would be justifying their choice. So I've sort of gone through silver. So I like the pie chart the best because it's really easy to see at a glance that there were more clips for monkeys than not. And then gold, that would be them bringing in their half and quarter knowledge from last week, I believe. And they could say, looking at this pie chart, slightly more than half of the clips had monkeys, or perhaps, a quarter of the clips, depending on your data. And yeah, that's it really. Let me know your... Oh, and sorry, you can pre-populate the table, so put in the headings for them. Or if you want to give them a bit more of a challenge, get them practicing, you could ask them to type in monkey. And then the chart title, it could be their name, or it could be that amount of clips that has a monkey. Not the most imaginative, I know. And then if you click over here and click save, that will automatically load up, and then in folders, which I won't go through because it's got children's names in, but for them it'll just be saved in the pupil files. Okay, so yeah, please let me know if you found this useful. Sorry that I rambled. This is take 3, so I'm not gonna I'm not gonna do this again. So let me know your thoughts. Hope you enjoy this task, and all the best. Take care of yourselves.